Netflix has started testing a new feature on Android devices. It's adding a sleep timer button that users can set for TV shows and movies on Netflix. The new Netflix feature is being tested globally for users on Android, The Verge reported. Based on user feedback, Netflix will expand this feature to other devices including Netflix on TV, desktops and iOS. It's currently restricted only to adult profiles and not for the kids profile. There are 4 timer options to choose from: 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, or at the end of the TV show or movie. Netflix will turn off once it reaches the selected duration. The new Netflix timer button is located on the top right corner of the screen. It will be turned off by default, and users can choose among the 4 options. Netflix also mentions the time when the TV show or movie will end for each option. The timer tool can be very helpful for situations where we tend to fall asleep while watching TV shows or movies. There's no word on when this feature might reach other users on Netflix. The streaming service regularly tests features which sometimes see an official release or don't. What's confirmed though is Shuffle Play, coming to Netflix this year. Announced at the company's latest Q4 earnings conference, Netflix will broadly test Shuffle Play this year. As the name suggests, this feature will shuffle the entire Netflix feed for users based on their preferences. Netflix has been testing this feature since last year, and it will be available to more users soon. If you enjoyed this video, then hit the like button, share the video, and make sure you subscribe and hit the notifications bell. Thanks for watching.